Hello everyone, how are you all? That is my first video about web development. All my other videos on my channel are about graphic designing. If you have any interest in graphics, so please go through all the videos. I hope it will be helpful for you. So in this video I will tell you how to integrate Telr payment gateway with the Laravel project. So all we need three things. First of all, we need a Laravel package. I just installed a fresh package here, that is Laravel 8. And the second thing, we need the Telr account. So unfortunately Telr account is not free. For the Telr account you have to provide them the trade license of your company and an e-commerce website, and there is some more formalities. But I have the Telr account here. As you can see the dashboard of my account, here is all the live transactions. I didn't do any live transaction, but these are the testing transactions, all of them. And the third thing, we need a package for Laravel, that is a GitHub package. That is very helpful. We can even integrate the Telr without this package, but with this package the things are much easier. So let's start. First of all, I will make a route for our, for example, checkout page, and I will create a checkout controller index. I will name it checkout.index, and the second route I will make get, and the second route will be post checkout /Telr. Here same class should be store and name checkout.store. Name, I forgot to write the name, sorry. Okay, now we have to create a controller checkout controller. We don't need resources. HTTP controllers, and here is our controller. We make a function index and return view checkout. Make another function store, but I will do it later. Right now we are just running a view. So let's go to the views. Here I will create a view checkout.blade.php. So we will design this page. So let's go. PHP artisan server. We'll go to the checkout page. Most of the things we learn from the errors. If we will not face any error, then we will not learn. Mention it here, and then yeah, cool. But the checkout button is not working right now because I didn't mention any link here. That is nothing here. So the view is ready. We'll go to the package, copy and paste it here. Cool. The package is installed. Now what is the next step? the providers. So copy this line and paste it in our config app and providers. The next is to publish the config file. Publish it, and we will just do one thing: php artisan config cache. And now we will do this thing. So it will just migrate the Telr transaction table. My database was empty, that's why I just did it. Now go to config/Telr. Here is all your configuration data. So you need to add this thing to your env file. Here and copy it here, and the third one is auth key. The testing mode is 1 because we are testing. If we are live, then we will do it 0. The store ID you can copy it from your own dashboard. Every account has their separate store ID, and you will generate your auth key from your integration tab from your dashboard menu from the Telr account. Now the next step is the currency. We are not using Saudi Riyal, we are using AED. Okay, everything else is fine. Config cache, that is your controller file. So we will grab this code and paste it in your store. Pass a request here, request and request. So you are passing 4 parameters in your pay function. First one is order ID. You will generate an order ID and it should be unique. So I will do like this, any random order ID. That is a new Telr manager. These are the parameters that will pass through your request. And total amount, any amount you can mention here, for example 231. Just mention the order ID and amount. Description, you can write any description. Telr testing YouTube. Okay, so this function is ready to run, but we need to add our action here. Root is checkout.store. Okay, when we will click on checkout button, it will go here and it will just count all these things, but it will give us an error because we didn't mention the method. I forgot, but still it will give an error. CSRF. Okay, go back now, refresh, and it will go to an error again because we need the SSL certificate. for transaction, because our transaction should be secure, and Telr account is a very secure thing. We can't just run it in the local server, but still you can fix this thing from your php.ini file. The procedure is mentioned in the description of this video. That is apart from our topic. So I will do one thing. I will upload this on my live server. Let's go then. Upload it on the server. So I will go to checkout. Your domain should also have SSL certificate as well, and the protocol should be HTTPS. So that is our checkout page, and if I will click here, first I will change the parameters. For example, I will put name, address, square, the second, square, city Dubai. I don't need the region, the zip, any zip, and the country, UAE, any email at email.com. I hope it will accept. Okay, now check out. Here we go. But it's showing the name again. We already passed it here, so we will change the last name Johnson. So we will refresh, go back, refresh, and then cool. Here the Telr, they provide you the testing cards and everything. If you log in, user guides, and that is the Telr guide. There is the testing cards with security, 3D security, and all these things. So you will paste it here and just put any number and make payment. After payment, it will show you an error that you don't have any redirection page to revert it back on our website. So let's see. Yeah, page not found. Now we will see our transaction is done or not. Yes. Here, Professor Johnson, and email at email.com, and all these information, our currency, that is authentication code. It is generated by Telr gateway. Every time whenever you will make an order, this is sales ID for tracking your order, that is cart ID, that is auto generated by your Laravel package. If you are not using package, then you have to generate it by yourself. Okay, description and everything. Cool. Now we will go back to our checkout page. Here we will make a page to revert it back. Let's do it now. So that is our return authentication page. We will copy this thing and we will make a new route. In the same checkout controller class, and it will be success public function success. Let's create a new view, success.blade.php, and I will copy the checkout page data here. I will remove everything, this also, this also. Just mention success. Yeah, everything seems okay. Now try it again. Check out and card number. I'm just memorizing it. Cool, success. Now we will make 2 more pages. One will be for payment cancel. Copy and root get cancel checkout controller class cancel, and the other one will be for payment declined. Yes, root go to our checkout controller. I will just copy the functions and I will do cancel and declined. So the view will be cancel. It should be decline. Will be cancel, not cancelled. So let's create another view, cancel.blade.php and decline.blade.php, and I will copy this thing again here. No, I will copy success. That is okay. I will just make it danger, and the decline thing I will make it secondary. Let's see how it will work. Go to checkout page here, and I will put the now it will show an error. The card number is not valid. I will put this, and CVV is 123. I will put 231. Okay, and phone number. So it will now decline the payment, and we will receive an error, and it will revert back to our website. Let's see what will be the error. If payment could not be completed, continue, and we forgot to change the text, but it worked. So we will change the text declined, and on the cancel also cancelled. So let's try it one more time. Check out. Now I will not put anything, I will just cancel it. See, cancelled. So the payment thing is working well. Now we will just add the request thing. So for this I will go to checkout page and I will pass a request. So Here we have first name, last name, email, city, country and zip code. So we will pass these variables here. Request first name, request. Let's go back to our website. Check out. Sure, but styling is not working. I will do the styling in master. Let's refresh it. Cool. Now we'll try to pass the variables and we'll see what we are getting. So for this I will do here request, refresh it, and professor this. Yeah, so we have the request here, request parameters and this first name, last name, email, city, country and zip. Okay, pass it now. Let's see, refresh it. Okay, yeah, it's going. But not address, we need address also. City, country and zip. But where is the area? We need to add area also. So I added 2 more lines, building number and area. So this will be passed here in address 1 and address 2. That is mandatory field, we have to put it. Let's try it now. Okay, check out. Cool, it's working. Now we will test with security. Okay, we'll ask for the security. Yeah, verified. If we will accept it, then it will go to the success page. If we will decline it, then it will go to decline page. We will accept it. Let's see what will happen. Success. Now we will go to our dashboard and we'll see the transaction, Professor Snow. So that's all for the Telr integration. Or if you want to pass a request from Telr page to our success page, then you can do it by this method. On the last, just copy it and paste it here. So there is the response code also. Order, customer name, forename and surname, address. So you want to pass only the customer name and the cart ID. We will do one thing. The transaction is equal to this. Okay, so you want to mention the card last 4. Okay, you will do transaction, response and order, cart and last 4, and the name should be transaction, response, order, customer, name, 4 names, and here you will put a connector and again transaction. So because it is first name and last name, so we will mention it both together. A response, order, name and surname. Because the data is stored in JSON format, so we have to do this thing. That is it. We'll say we have but now we have to mention it in our view also. Success blade, and before success button here we have to mention the details. Let's put something here. That is much better. So let's check out. Go to checkout. Okay. Yeah. So make a payment and let's see.